this video, I will demonstrate what to do and not to do during a tornado situation. These are the 5 things not to do during a tornado situation. If you happen to be in a car during a tornado situation, never try to outrun it. First, when there's a tornado warning, don't come out looking for the storm. When a tornado is issued, never go by a window, because if the storm hits, the window could break and the glass could come and cut you severely. When a tornado is coming and you're outdoors, never brace against heavy objects, such as trees or vehicles or other big heavy machinery. During a tornado, never take cover under a bridge or overpass, because if it collapses, you will die. These are things to do during a tornado situation. During a tornado situation, you'll want to try to find an interior room away from windows and at the lowest part of the house. You'll want to be at the lowest part of the house in case the roof gets taken off by the tornado or the windows break and you won't get cut by them. It'd also be a good idea to keep your safety kit in it. If you're traveling in a car during a tornado situation and can't get out, you want to cover your head and crouch as low below the windows to protect yourself from the glass that can break. During a tornado situation, you'll want to keep a radio close by. The radio will tell you if the storm is moving in your direction or when to take cover. Also listen for tornado sirens, because when you hear those, you know it's getting closer. If you are caught outside in a tornado situation and can't find shelter indoors, you will want to try to find the lowest possible point on the ground, like a ditch. You will want to lay down and protect your head and neck from injuries. A tornado is coming and you don't have an interior room to go to. It's best to go get in a bathtub and cover yourself up with blankets and mattresses, like this. I have gathered some things that I feel are important in a tornado safety kit. I gathered a blanket to keep warm, especially if your clothes are wet. I've also gathered extra clothes in case of your clothes getting damaged or ruined. Water for three weeks. Food that will not ever perish. A can opener for opening the cans of food. A radio to listen to the weather advisory. A flashlight for when the power goes out with extra batteries. A first aid kit. And plastic utensils and silverware, along with plastic bags to put trash into, and especially a cell phone for contacting relatives to tell them that you are okay. Also, in the safety interior room, you need to add a helmet and extra pairs of shoes. Here I'll show you a few facts about tornadoes. Tornadoes that form over water are called waterspouts. Nebraska, Oklahoma, Texas, South Dakota, and Kansas are considered tornado alley. The largest tornado in the Jinx area was an F5 in 1960. 3 out of 4 tornadoes happen in the USA. April through June is considered tornado season. In 1931, a tornado picked up an 83-ton train and threw it 80 feet. The USA has over 800 tornadoes per year. Tornado winds are the fastest winds on Earth. Oklahoma has on average 64 tornadoes per year, and a tornado's color depends on the color of the ground that it comes in contact with. That's the facts I've learned on tornadoes doing this project. I hope you like this tornado safety video. I hope that you will find it useful in keeping yourself and your family safe during a tornado situation. Just remember the things to do and not to do during a tornado situation. Also, remember, it's better to have a plan of action before the storm hits. Just be ready.